If you need to pay a bill using the CIBC app but aren't sure where to start, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're paying a credit card bill, utility bill, phone bill, or any other registered payee, I'll show you exactly how to do it right from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the CIBC app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive on the home screen. Here, you'll typically see your checking account, savings account, credit card accounts, and any other accounts linked to your profile. At the bottom of the screen, look for the Move Money button and tap on it. Next, select Bill Payment from the available options. You'll now see a few different bill payment choices. Tap Pay a Bill to continue. On the next screen, enter the amount you want to pay. Make sure you double-check the amount before moving on, especially if you're paying a bill with a specific due date. After entering the amount, tap on Payee. If you've already paid this company before, you'll see your registered payees listed here. Simply select the payee you want to pay and continue. If this is your first time paying a particular bill, tap Add Payee at the bottom of the screen. You'll now be able to search for the company or organization you want to pay. For example, if you're paying a CIBC MasterCard bill, type CIBC MasterCard into the search box. When the correct payee appears, tap on it to continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your account number. This account number is usually found on your bill statement. CIBC often provides helpful notes on the screen, showing exactly where to locate the number. So take a moment to review those instructions if you're unsure. Once you've entered the account number correctly, tap Next. Because you're adding a new payee, CIBC may ask you to verify your identity. Simply follow the verification prompts on the screen to complete this step. After the payee has been added, you'll return to the payment setup screen. Under From Account, choose the account you want the payment to come from. Most people select their checking account, but you can choose whichever eligible account you'd like to use. Next, select the payment date. This is the day you want the payment to be processed. You'll also see a How Often option. If you make this payment regularly, you can choose a frequency such as monthly to create recurring payments automatically. If it's just a one-time payment, leave it as a single payment. Once everything looks good, tap Next. You'll now see a review screen showing all of the payment details. Take a few seconds to carefully verify the payee name, account number, payment amount, payment date, and the account you're paying from. Checking these details before submitting can help you avoid payment delays or mistakes. If everything is correct, tap Yes or Proceed to confirm the payment. After the payment is submitted, you'll receive a confirmation screen showing that your payment has been successfully scheduled or processed. Keep in mind that some bill payments may take a few business days to appear on the payee side, so don't be concerned if the payment doesn't show up immediately. And that's how to pay a bill using the CIBC app. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.